How to delete all liked videos on YouTube at once. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube, log into your account, then click on your profile located on bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on settings on top right corner of your screen. Then click on manage all history. In here, click on interaction, which is beside control on right side top. In here, you'll find your all liked videos. If you click on view likes and dislikes, you'll find cross button on top. Simply click on cross button of all the liked videos and at once all your liked videos will be deleted. This is how to delete all liked videos on YouTube at once. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.